So today on the Coyote swap project, I'm going to be swapping out the interior. Got everything ripped out and vacuumed. Going from tan to black. Or dark charcoal. Things whooped. So for today's super fun job, I get to finish off the interior swap by scraping off the rest of the remaining old headliner and then laying out the new carpet, which doesn't have any holes or anything, so I gotta lay it out and then cut out a hole for the e-brake and then the shifter hole and even these studs and stuff. Because last time we got the dash in and the steering wheel, all that good stuff. We got some of the panels back here, the back cover. It's just I was kind of putting off the rest of the job because I didn't want to scrape all that off, but looks like I'm going to do it today. And I realize there's a special kind of adhesive you have to use to get it to stick. So I'll be ripping all that out. I already got some of it pulled off here and here, so hopefully I can get it all cleaned up like that, and then we'll secure the new one in and get ready to go. So far it's going pretty good. Luckily it's kind of a hot day, and it's a black car, so the roof's pretty hot and it's softening up the adhesive, making it somewhat easy to just get a putty knife and rock it back and forth. I mean, it still takes some doing, but oh, look at that. Yeah, sometimes you get lucky and get a couple sections that'll just pull off, but for the most part, you gotta fucking work it. We are getting there though. We're all cleaned up now. All the adhesive is removed. There's still a little bit of residue. I'll clean that up a little bit better later, but I actually don't have any headliner adhesive to stick it on. So I'll get that tomorrow, and then I'll just clean all this up today, and then we'll see if we can get the carpet laid in today, and then I can come back tomorrow with the adhesive, then we can glue the headliner in. All right, I got the carpet in. I cut holes for the shifter and then the parking brake. And then I started trying to trim everything. They ship these with a lot of extra material on the outsides right here, and then up in the this fucking area. So I trimmed all that so these panels can fit in. It's just the back part of it is being really weird. It's just the way it's molded. Every time you try and push in a corner, it drags, it pulls it one way or the other. So I don't know what I'm gonna do with that. I might just try and find a way to tuck it or something, or I don't know. Keep in mind, I don't do this stuff. I've never done a carpet kit like this. I mainly do engine work, so it is what it is. And I can't do any of the other panels like this one and then the one that goes right in here until I get the headliner in. So I may be done with the interior today. I'll probably switch over and do something else, maybe try and clean up the engine bay a little bit, but not too terrible. So here is the new, well, not really new, but new to us, a new dark charcoal black top. So as you can see, when it was pulled out, some of the adhesive actually came off of it, there and there. So this is the new stuff that we got. Some Loctite power grab, just some all-purpose adhesive. I don't really know if this will work or not, but I'm pretty sure it will. So yeah, we'll bead some of it on and then stick this thing in there. I was gonna try and use this ratchet strap and then put something in the middle to kind of put pressure up against the top to hold it to the roof, so all that adhesive would stick. We'll see how well this works. It might work, but it might not. So the headliner's all done. Now all I gotta do is put the weather stripping on the for the doors right here, and then start putting in some of these back panels, and then get these ones actually mounted in all the way. And I still gotta figure out what I'm gonna do to trim up that part of the carpet, because I just shoved it back there for right now, just so I can put the seat in. But I'll clean all that up and then make it look better. And then I gotta modify the shifter before I could really put in the center console. So that's gonna wait. I may just put in the center console just to see how it fits with the carpet and stuff. And because of the brakes, we needed to have some aftermarket parking brake cables. I mean, this doesn't do anything right now, and so it would be easy to get it in and out. It's not too big a deal. It's just a little update on the carpet install. I am giving up on this generic carpet kit. This thing sucks. It just doesn't fit well anywhere. Like, no matter how I tuck it, no matter how I try and get it to attach, it's just, there's just folds everywhere and bulges, and it just fits like crap. And it's technically the wrong color too, because the interior color is dark charcoal, and as you see right here, is like, this is a lot lighter than that. So I got carpet out of a used car, which is the right color. So I'm gonna yank this crap out, put this good stuff in, and then it's all gonna match and it's all gonna fit perfect, I hope. So things just work so much better when you have the right stuff. This carpet literally took like 10-15 minutes for me to put in, and it fits perfect. Color matches and everything. This stupid thing. Spent all day trying to get that in and it didn't work. That one took 10 minutes. Get the right parts.